Hi, this is Jojo from Sneaker Lab, and today we will be going through how to clean your white knit shoes. Today we'll be cleaning Adidas Ultraboosts. Start by prepping your shoes. Use a dry brush and scrub off any excess dirt. Gently use the brush as you don't want to harm the knit of your shoes. Give them a tap to remove any leftover dirt. Then remove the laces as we will clean them at a later stage. Now it's time for the deep clean. Since the knit of the Ultraboost is delicate, the safest way to clean them is to use our sneaker wipes. This will ensure that you don't harm any materials by scrubbing too vigorously with a brush. Use the wipe with a dab and twist motion as well as scrubbing. To tackle the dirtier areas, you can generously spray our sneaker cleaner solution and continue using the wipe. Dip the wipe into some water to create more moisture if needed. Once the uppers are clean, you can turn your attention to the midsoles. The Boost sole is notoriously hard to clean as the dirt gets into the material. Spray sneaker cleaner around the midsole of the sneaker and dip your brush into the container of water. Scrub the brush on heavily dirtied areas, applying the necessary pressure. Rinse the brush and reapply sneaker cleaner when necessary, paying attention to those hard to reach places. Use our microfiber towel to partially dry them off and set them aside to dry. Now we can clean the laces. Generously apply sneaker cleaner to your laces, rub them together between your hands, and then dip them in water. Continue this process until your laces are well saturated, wringing out a bit of the water, and then leave the laces to dry overnight. Once your laces and shoes are dry, lace up your kicks in preparation for applying our protectors. Generously spray the inside of your sneakers with our Odor Protector. If the insoles come out, you can spray these and set aside to dry. Lastly, spray the outside of your sneakers with our Sneaker Protector to protect them from dirt and stains, as well as making future cleans easier. And that was our step-to-step guide on how to clean your knit sneakers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our social media platforms to stay tuned for more sneaker-related content from Sneaker Lab.